Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a QR code scanner for school books. First, download a reliable QR code scanner app onto your smartphone or tablet. There are many free options available. Next, make sure your device's camera lens is clean and that you have good lighting. This ensures the scanner can clearly read the code. Finally, locate the QR code on your school book, which is usually on the cover, inside pages, or sometimes on the back. You're now ready for the next step. Now that you're set up, open your chosen QR code scanner app. Hold your device steady and position its camera directly over the QR code. It's important to keep the entire code visible within the scanning frame on your screen. Adjust the distance slowly until the app automatically recognizes and processes the code. Most apps will give you a visual confirmation, like a green box or a sound, when the scan is successful. This usually takes just a few seconds. After a successful scan, your app will automatically direct you to the linked digital resource. These resources are designed to complement your school book, offering valuable supplementary materials. You might find engaging videos, interactive quizzes, or additional reading passages that deepen your understanding of the subject. Take some time to explore this content. It's a fantastic way to enhance your learning experience beyond the printed page and reinforce key concepts. To ensure a smooth scanning experience, here are a few helpful tips. Always try to maintain a stable hand while scanning to prevent blurry images, which can make the code unreadable. Scanning in well-lit areas is also crucial, as good lighting helps the camera capture the code clearly. If a scan doesn't work on the first try, simply clean your camera lens or try moving to a spot with better light. These small adjustments can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.